So, welcome back to another vlog, yet again on M135i talk, should we say. What's good about having a new car is you get to see products before they're actually out for market, if you like. So we deal with Auto ID, and one of their projects is a company called Astro Performance. We've already done a previous vlog, which I'll put a link in to some of the parts which are very early in the stages of their development. This is prototype number 2. These are 3D printed. This is what parts look like. They come out with a 3D printer. So what we're going to do now is get this car on the ramp, and we will fit the front, the side flicks, side fins, side flicks, whatever you want to call them, and the rear spoiler to this car, drop it on the floor and see what you think. This kit will be aimed a bit more expensive than the Max Designs parts and less than AC Schnitzer, so it'd be nice to offer sort of 3 tiers of parts. But it is quite an OEM look to it. It has a bit of a M2 competition pack sort of feel to it, or M2 original sort of feel to it, with the sort of side fins. As you can see, it'll pick up on the original point and have this sort of flick, which is obviously follow the line of the bodywork. And the same again with the front. So in a minute I'll let Jay do a little bit of B-roll, just obviously this laying on the floor, and of course once it's been fitted. Let us know what you think. I think this kit will be quite interesting, and I think halfway through the year and show season we'll be swapping some of the Maxton parts out for this one as well, just to show we can obviously do different things. And I quite like the little fins on this one, so comment down below which kit you prefer. Thanks a lot. Car number 2 is currently on the ramp. There'll be another vlog about this car, actually the Maxton kit going onto it. While we've got the car in the air, we thought we would try the Astro Design kit by Auto ID. As we said previously in this vlog, this is made up of individual parts that will be 3D printed and sent for us to test. So lined it up, this will use a factory fitting clip. You'll have to remove the M135i has a gloss black lower splitter, same as the Maxton kit, you have to remove that. So this will also fit the 118i M Sport and whatever else they're doing, lower models if you like. Anything that's an M Sport bumper and 135i, you have to remove that gloss black tire. So as you can see, it's quite an aggressive sort of BMW look with the fin. I'll let Jay do a bit of a B-roll, but overall I think we're quite happy with how it looks. We can't actually attach it to this car because, as we say, it's going out for the Maxton, but today it's just a test fit, just to make sure it all lines up and how the fit is going to be done. This is one of the corner fins, and as you can see on here, it has the original pickup points. We've run some double-sided body shop tape as well, just to hold it in place. But as a whole, we are getting a bit closer, so keep following us, make sure you subscribe. If something you're interested in this kit, drop us an email and we'll keep you up to date with pictures and pricing when we know some. But let us know what you think of the kit so far. Thanks a lot.